Hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I have a little Scaventure. I went on a little bitty Scaventure today, so got stuff off my desk so I can show you guys. So I went on a Scaventure, and I picked up some things. Now, this was not a regular Scaventure. This one's different, so I got this. I picked this up at a thrift store for $2. And we're going to do a project with this. It's just a little crate, you know. So we're going to do a project with this. And I found this at the thrift store for $4. And we're going to do a little project with this as well. And I mean, this is cute just the way it is. You know, it says uncork and unwind, fill it with corks. It's cute just the way it is, but I want to do an upcycle with a shadow box, so, you know, that'll work. And I have 2 more projects. I got this one. This is a chipboard sign. And I got it for $2 at the thrift store. It originally sells for $6 Paper Studio, so this is a Hobby Lobby product. And we're going to do something with this. And then, at one of the stores, they had this. Now, this is like a pants hanger? And this was free, because they had like this little giveaway. So we're going to disassemble this and then put it back together, and we're going to make something else out of it. Okay? I know, weird stuff. But this will be a fun project, so we're going to do that. Now, I got other things. I'm not going to show those to you, but I got this. We got Temu haul. So, we're going to take this all out. And usually they put a paper in there. I don't see the paper. And I'll be honest, I think this may have been opened and then reclosed. So, alright, so I really liked this. You know, I made those, I made the tags out of the box. We upcycled the box into tags. And I really liked the washi tape that came in it. So for the price, again, I grabbed a second one. Because I like this. I like the box, you know? Alright. And the tape in this one is different. It's not all the same. There is some in here that is the same, but some that isn't. Now, I will tell you what I don't like about this tape. It's not very sticky. You definitely have to use glue with it. Okay? But, see, like this one, I don't have this one. This is different. I didn't get that one. I didn't get this one. Or this one. Or this one. Or these. And that one. So, I did get different ones in the box. But pretty much, you know, it's the same. But I'm addicted to washi tape, so let's be honest, okay? Alright, so I also ordered these. This was a, you know, buy it, get, you know, whichever one they send you. Well, I ordered 2, so they sent me 2 of the same ones. And they're just butterflies. And I ordered some paper. And this was one of those, you know, randoms as well. So let's see. It says it's 50 sheets. Alright, so 10 designs, 5 of each design. And there's this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. Ooh, and this one, that's pretty. this one. This one. And this one. So, yeah, 5 of each, 10 different designs. So we got that. And all the paper they had was pretty, so I figured, you know, no matter what they sent me, it was going to be okay. Because it was all pretty. Then I ordered these. These are tags, and this is just a really nice size. The largest one here is 4 3/4. So that's really nice, and I like these 2 little ones, because this one here I think will work with my little pockets. And this one will as well. So I like those. So we'll get those. We're going to cut with those and see how they cut. And then we got this. This is paper, it says. Nice presentation. Very nice presentation. Looks like we're going to have to untie it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of each design. This smells like like Ditto. Remember Dittos? So 6 of each. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that one. Right? Okay. That one's nice. And then that one. And that one. And that one. So, yeah, lots of paper. It'll tell you on here. You just have to know, because the numbers are the same. So, got that. And we got 2 of these. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I think I ordered more than 8 items. Okay, so these are different. So this is butterfly, and this one is flower. So, let's see. Wow. That was definitely sealed. And this is not stickers. It is like just a whole strip of images. So if you want something off here, you have to kind of cut it off and tape it down. Okay, so this one is flower. This one is the butterfly. Let's see. goes to there. That's one piece. And I'm pretty sure I can get that off with, yeah, I'm going to be able to get that off with a gum eraser. Oh yeah, no problem. Comes right off. But, you know, it's just a little different. But I kind of like it.
Call from 17026-579936.
Okay. All right, so these were random. This was random. This I bought specifically. This was random. This was random, and this I bought specifically. So of the random items, 1, 2, I got 4 random items. I love this. I love this. This is cool. I'm not real thrilled with this as far as like it's going to be a pain in the butt to work with, but it's not bad. You know what I mean? So that's it. That was my Temu haul for the day. Like I need more washi tape, right? But we're going to cut with this and see how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and I'll be right back, and we'll take a look at it. All right, so I ran it through, and here's the thing. I don't take these apart when I test them. I just kind of cut them all as one piece. So that's what we did. So we're not going to have a lot of tags here. What we're going to have is a lot of space. Okay? So, and they all cut apart nicely. Yeah, they cut apart nicely. So this will be, you know, something I'm going to add to my collection. This is the perfect little tag, because I was looking for little tags for, you know, my little pockets. And this one, I think, is going to be, yeah, it's going to be the perfect size for this little tag, this little pocket here, and here. I think the second one up is actually going to be perfect for here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's perfect. Okay. And then, you know, we could probably go as far as the third one of them for this pocket. It's good side to side and down to the bottom. So this will be a very welcomed addition to my tag selection. All right, so that's it. That's all I have for you. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell. Share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I do go live on Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, and Sunday. Let's see, what else? I post videos twice a week, typically on Mondays and Wednesdays, but you never know. And we're going to put this up on the board. There we go. We like it. Okay, and let's see, what else? If you want to know the who, what, when, where, why, and how of my digital life, go ahead and check out the community tab here on my YouTube channel, or scoot on over to my Facebook group. There's a link in the description box below, and join up over there. We've got some great stuff going on. We have hashtag Projects of 23 challenge, and we have Minute Mysteries going on over there. We're going to be starting a couple of other things. A mindfulness challenge, we'll be doing that. You know, we got a couple of things going on, and I'm broadening the channel, so, you know, there's going to be some new stuff coming up. So if what you see is not to your liking, check back. You might find something that you enjoy. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.